what does the law say about, legally protecting these particular people when it comes to the issue of forceful return, since it was not, in their will? And what are the human rights that protect them, given now that they have to go to their home country, which they were running away from?
Thank you very much. Number one, refugees are also human beings, and therefore refugees are also entitled to basic human rights and freedoms.
Okay.
The refugees are persons who, owing to well-founded fear of persecution, flee their country and are unable to return.
Yeah.
Now, for this particular group of refugees who are from Turkey, they were here and they had also been accorded refugee status. And refugee status is it is a process where one is interviewed in what is known as a refugee status determination interview. And if you're able to prove that you have well-founded fear of persecution on various grounds, then you are accorded refugee status.
Okay.
If if you're unable to prove, then you do not get refugee status.
Okay.
But once you get refugee status, then you are protected by not only the host government, that is Kenya, but you're also under the protection of United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. And therefore, during your stay, apart from civic duties like voting, you are entitled to all other rights.
Okay.
And that means that during your stay, you cannot be compelled to return forcefully to your country of origin, so long as those, so long as the basis for your flight still remains. And in this particular case, the reasons why they fled still remained. The regime which made them flee was still in power.
Okay.
Refugees are protected by specific international and national law instruments. Under international law, you have the Vienna Convention of 1951, which protects refugees and has a catalogue of rights which refugees are entitled to. You also have a protocol to this convention, or the protocol of 1967. In addition, within the African continent, you have the OAU convention, which also does protect refugees.
Okay.
And in Kenya, we have the Refugees Act. And these are instruments which protect refugees wherever they are.